Today's lifestyle has led to many people experiencing stress, both mentally and physically. We live under stress due to overburdening workload, never-ending deadlines. Dealing with stress is complicated, but yoga can help. So let me walk you through a few yoga poses that will help us cope with stress and anxiety. For that, let's begin with yoga. Our first pose of the day is Balasana or child's pose. In a state of stress, one can find it difficult to even breathe. Balasana opens up your chest and releases tension. Practice this asana if you feel dizzy and all the time, as it will help you feel relieved. It will also relieve you after a tiring day. This asana will relax the muscles of your body. It keeps the internal organs of the body active and supple. So if you are relaxed with your breath, you will be relaxed with your mind. Now let's begin with the practice. Sit in Vajrasana on your yoga mat and breathe in while lifting your hands up. Take a deep breath out and slowly bend forward on the floor. Rest your forehead on the mat. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Remember, the goal of this asana is to relax your mind and body. So relax and let your body sink into the floor. Practice this asana thrice. As far as physical fitness is concerned, this pose helps release tension in the back, the neck and the shoulders. Additionally, it helps calm your mind through deep breathing, which is beneficial for your mental health. Let's move to the next pose, and that is tree pose or Vrikshasana. In addition to offering multiple benefits, this asana helps you to achieve balance in your mind, body and life. Now let's begin with the steps. Our only task in this case is to stand straight and in a correct posture. Follow my example. Keep your feet together, toes touching and hands on your waist. Look at a fixed or unmoving point in front of you. Shift your body weight entirely onto your right leg and bend and raise your left leg ahead of you. Then place your left foot on the inside of your left thigh while maintaining a steady balance. Use the wall support with your right hand if you're a beginner. Finding stability, form a namaste at the chest or above your head. Stay there for 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending on your capacity. And gently breathe in and out. Remember, do not tilt your hips completely to the side of the leg that's on the floor. Practice it once and you're done with this asana. That's it for today. I hope these exercises were helpful to you. Follow us for more yoga content. Until then, see you.